Here we are again with some amazing kitchen tools. And today we are going to show you 30 amazing Tupperware kitchen gadgets that are perfect for daily use. From handy gadgets like the MicroPro grill for quick microwave meals to the stylish Universal Series knives for precision cutting, each tool is designed to simplify cooking and storage. Let's dive in. Simplify your kitchen prep with Tupperware's Universal Series knives. These high-quality knives offer precision cutting for all your culinary needs. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, while the razor-sharp blades make slicing, dicing, and chopping a breeze. Whether you're preparing vegetables, meats, or fruits, these knives deliver professional performance and durability. Imagine whipping up delicious batters and mixes with ease using the Tupperware hand mixer. This versatile gadget features multiple speed settings to handle everything from light whisking to heavy mixing. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use and the beaters are easy to clean. Perfect for baking enthusiasts and busy cooks alike, this hand mixer helps you achieve perfect results every time, turning your kitchen into a hub of culinary creativity. Grilling indoors is a game changer with the Tupperware MicroPro grill set. This innovative grill transforms your microwave into a grilling powerhouse, reaching temperatures up to 425 Fahrenheit. Ideal for grilling sandwiches, meats, or even desserts, the grill's non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup. Its unique design allows you to enjoy smoky, charred flavors without the hassle of an outdoor grill. Perfect for quick meals and impressing guests with minimal effort. Upgrade your food storage with Tupperware's silicone storage bags. These eco-friendly bags are perfect for keeping your food fresh while reducing single-use plastics. Made from durable silicone, they are microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe. Their flexible design allows for easy storage and quick access to your food. Whether you're marinating meats or storing leftovers, these silicone storage bags offer convenience and sustainability, making them a must-have in your kitchen. Keep your food fresh and stylish with the Tupperware Bowl with Starburst Lid. This vibrant bowl features a unique lid design that creates an airtight seal, preserving your food's flavor and freshness. Ideal for mixing, serving, and storing, the bowl's durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Its eye-catching lid adds a pop of color to your kitchen, while the practical design makes it easy to stack and store. Perfect for everyday use and special occasions alike. Streamline your rice cooking with the Tupperware microwave rice cooker. This clever gadget simplifies the process, allowing you to cook, steam, and store rice all in one container. Its double cover design prevents spills and ensures even cooking, while the easy-to-use handles make handling a breeze. Perfect for busy weeknights or meal prepping, this rice cooker delivers fluffy, perfectly cooked rice every time, making it an essential addition to your kitchen. Elevate your cheese storage with the Tupperware FridgeSmart. This innovative container is designed to keep your cheese fresh and flavorful longer. Its special ventilation system regulates humidity, preventing mold and preserving the cheese's texture. Ideal for a variety of cheeses, from hard to soft, the FridgeSmart ensures your cheese remains in top condition. Whether you're a cheese lover or simply want to keep your kitchen organized, this container is a must-have. Cooking pasta is effortless with the Tupperware Microwave Pasta Maker. This handy tool allows you to cook, drain, and serve pasta all in one container. Its unique design includes edged cooking guidelines to ensure perfect pasta every time. The convenient strainer lid makes draining easy, and the container's compact size fits in any microwave. Perfect for busy meals or family dinners, this pasta maker saves time and reduces cleanup, making pasta night a breeze. Make healthy eating easy with the Tupperware Salad on the go. This clever container keeps your salad fresh and organized, with separate compartments for toppings and dressings. Its secure lid prevents spills, while the included utensils make it convenient for on-the-go dining. Ideal for work lunches, picnics, or travel, this salad container ensures you can enjoy a nutritious meal anytime, anywhere, without compromising on freshness or flavor. Perfect your patties with the Tupperware Hamburger Press. This handy tool shapes your ground meats into uniform patties, ensuring even cooking and perfect results every time. Its non-stick surface makes it easy to release the patties, while the compact design fits neatly in your kitchen. Ideal for grilling or pan frying, the Hamburger press is perfect for making burgers for family dinners or summer BBQs, adding convenience and consistency to your cooking. Simplify your peeling tasks with the Tupperware Peeler Set. This versatile set includes multiple peelers designed for different fruits and vegetables. Each peeler features a sharp, precision blade for effortless peeling and a comfortable ergonomic handle for easy use. Whether you're preparing potatoes, carrots, or apples, these peelers make the job quick and efficient. Perfect for home cooks and professional chefs alike, the peeler set enhances your kitchen experience with convenience and ease. Transform your grating tasks with the Tupperware Grate Master. This efficient tool is perfect for shredding cheese, vegetables, and fruits with ease. The set includes multiple grating surfaces for different textures, making it versatile for various recipes. Its sturdy construction and non-slip base ensure safety and stability during use. Whether you're making a cheesy casserole or preparing a fresh salad, the Grate Master delivers consistent results, making meal prep faster and more enjoyable. Keep your beverages hot or cold with the Tupperware Thermal Flask. This high-performance flask is designed to maintain the temperature of your drinks for hours. Its double-walled, vacuum-insulated construction ensures optimal heat or cold retention. Ideal for coffee, tea, or cold drinks, the thermal flask features a leak-proof lid and a durable design, making it perfect for travel, work, or outdoor adventures. Enjoy your favorite beverages at the perfect temperature anytime, anywhere. Elevate your steaming game with the Tupperware Smart Steamer. This multi-purpose tool allows you to steam vegetables, fish, and more in the microwave. Its clever design includes various inserts for different cooking needs, making it versatile and convenient. The steam-vented lid ensures even cooking and prevents overflow. Perfect for busy families, the Smart Steamer makes preparing healthy, nutritious meals quick and easy, while its compact size fits neatly in your kitchen. Transform your vegetables into spiraled delights with the Tupperware Handy Spiralizer. This compact tool is perfect for creating spiralized veggies for salads, stir-fries, and more. Its easy-to-use design includes multiple blade options for different spiral sizes, allowing you to customize your creations. The non-slip base ensures stability while you work, and the compact size makes it easy to store. With the Handy Spiralizer, you can add a fun, healthy twist to your meals with minimal effort. Achieve perfect slices every time with the Tupperware Mandoline slicer. This versatile tool features adjustable blades for various slice thicknesses, making it ideal for preparing fruits, vegetables, and more. Its ergonomic design and non-slip base ensure safety and stability during use. The Mandoline slicer is perfect for creating uniform slices for salads, gratins, and garnishes, making meal prep quick and efficient. Enjoy consistent, professional quality results in your kitchen with this essential tool. Bake delicious cookies with ease using the Tupperware Heritage Cookie Set. This set includes everything you need to create perfect cookies, from dough mixing to baking. The durable, high-quality materials ensure even baking and easy release of your cookies. The set's classic design and practical functionality make it a favorite among bakers. Whether you're making cookies for a special occasion or a family treat, the Heritage Cookie Set delivers reliable performance and delightful results. Keep your produce fresh longer with the Tupperware FridgeSmart Starter Set. This set includes various containers designed to optimize airflow and moisture levels, preserving the freshness of your fruits and vegetables. The clear containers make it easy to see what's inside, while the stackable design saves space in your fridge. Ideal for busy families and health-conscious individuals, the FridgeSmart Starter Set helps reduce food waste and keeps your produce ready for use. Mix and serve with ease using the Tupperware All-in-One Shaker. This versatile tool combines multiple functions in one, including mixing, pouring, and storing. Its integrated lid features a built-in strainer for smooth pouring and a secure seal to prevent leaks. Ideal for beverages, dressings, and sauces, the all-in-one shaker simplifies your kitchen tasks and reduces the need for multiple gadgets. Enjoy convenience and efficiency with this practical addition to your kitchen. Organize and store your frozen foods with the Tupperware Freezer Mate. This space-saving container features a durable design and airtight seal to prevent freezer burn and maintain freshness. Its stackable shape ensures efficient use of freezer space, while the clear container allows for easy identification of contents. Perfect for meal prep and long-term storage, the Freezer Mate helps you keep your frozen foods organized and ready for use. Transport and store your cakes with ease using the Tupperware Collapsible Cake Taker. This innovative design features a collapsible base for convenient storage and a secure lid to keep your cakes fresh. The Cake Taker's durable construction and ergonomic handles make it easy to carry, while its compact size ensures it fits neatly in your kitchen. Ideal for baking enthusiasts and party planners, the collapsible cake taker makes cake transport and storage hassle-free. Pack your meals conveniently with the Tupperware Lunch It Portion and Go. This set includes multiple compartments to keep your foods separate and fresh. Its secure, leak-proof design ensures that your meals stay intact during transport. The compact size and ergonomic lid make it easy to carry and store. Perfect for work lunches, picnics, or school, the Lunch It Portion and Go helps you enjoy well-portioned, healthy meals on the go. Upgrade your kitchen with the Tupperware Heritage 36-piece set. This comprehensive set includes a variety of containers designed to meet all your storage needs. With its durable construction and airtight seals, this set keeps your food fresh and organized. The stackable design saves space, while the clear containers allow for easy identification of contents. Perfect for home cooks and meal prep enthusiasts, the Heritage 36 Pcs Set provides convenience and efficiency in your kitchen. Enhance your kitchen organization with the Tupperware Heritage 8-piece set. This practical set includes a selection of containers designed for various storage needs. Its durable construction and secure lids ensure your food stays fresh and easily accessible. The stackable design saves space in your pantry or fridge, while the clear containers make it simple to see what's inside. Ideal for everyday use, the Heritage 8-piece set is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Optimize your pantry storage with Tupperware Modular Mates. These stackable containers are designed to keep your dry ingredients fresh and organized. Their airtight seals prevent spills and extend the shelf life of your pantry staples. The clear design allows for easy visibility, and the modular shape maximizes storage efficiency. Perfect for flour, sugar, grains, and more, the modular mates help you maintain a tidy, well-organized kitchen. Organize your kitchen essentials with the Tupperware Nested Canister Set. This space-saving set features multiple canisters that nest together for efficient storage. Each canister includes an airtight seal to keep your ingredients fresh and prevent spills. The clear design allows for easy identification of contents, while the sleek design complements any kitchen decor. Ideal for storing dry goods like flour, sugar, and coffee, the nested canister set combines functionality and style. Keep your onions and garlic fresh with the Tupperware Onion Garlic Container. This ventilated container allows for proper air circulation, preventing moisture buildup and extending the shelf life of your produce. Its compact design fits neatly in your pantry or on your countertop, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for busy cooks, the onion garlic container keeps your kitchen staples organized and ready for use, making meal prep more convenient. Streamline your food prep with the Tupperware Chop and Prep. This handy tool combines chopping and prepping functions in one convenient device. Its sharp blades and ergonomic design make it easy to work with vegetables, herbs, and more. The included bowl catches all the chopped ingredients, reducing mess and simplifying cleanup. Ideal for creating salads, salsas, and more, the Chop and Prep enhances your kitchen efficiency with ease. So that's all for our video about 30 Tupperware kitchen tools for daily use. Here are 65 other smart kitchen gadgets that you would like to know more about. Check this video out.